Student, welcome back in video session classes. Today I discuss the practical session in the mail merge for class 7, chapter number 3. Every student watch the video. This is a very interesting practical session. Previous classes I already discussed what is the mail merge, how to use to the mail merge, what is the advantage of the mail merge. But today this is the practical session classes. Let's see start the practical session. First of all, you open to the Microsoft Word, MS Word. The Microsoft Word 2007-2010. The process is the same. Just click to the MS Word 2007. And first of all, I discuss. You go to the mailing option. This mailing option is front upper part of the area. The reference, the mailing option, and you go to the start mail merge. There are so many such type of option in front of you. You just click to the start mail merge later in mail option the directive. But you learn the first time, you just click the step by step mail merge wizard. You just click to the step mail merge wizard. There are so many such type of again one dialog box appear in front of you. You just click to the start mail merge. Every student so that what is the same in the two dialog boxes at letters, this letter show here and this letter show there. They all over the six part are related to in their part. You just click the select document. You just click to the letters and you go to the next starting document. You just click to the next. You just click to the next starting document, and again the change the dialog box, and this mail merge is provided to the second part, step 2. Select a starting document. How to select the document? The first option, use to the current document started from a template, but I just click to the use the current document and just click to the next select recipient. Just click to next select recipient. Select recipient. You just click to the use an existing. Use an existing means you prepare to the previous letter, and there are so many such type of list, but there is no any such type of list in your letter, but you just click to the type a new list. Just click to type a new list, and this is the create option. This create option, and just click to the create option. You one time click to the create option and the one dialog box is appear in again in front of you, but title, first name, last name, company name, but there is no any such type of field name are required in this letter, and you add to own choice on the field name. You just click to the customize column. There are so many such type of again one dialog box appear in front of you, and the one dialog box is appear title, first name, last name, and you one by one deleted this all over such type of the field. I delete to the all over area. Just deleted, delete, 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 delete. I deleted to the all over area, and this area is a blank. But I discuss, but I add to the new field. You just click the add button, and one dialog box appear. Add, type in a name or your field. Suppose I type to the name. And just OK button. The name option is automatically adjust in this field, and the again is the address, and just click to the OK button, the address, and again click to the phone number. You just click to the OK, the phone number, click to the city, just click to the OK. I mention to the 4 field and just click to the OK. Your choice how many field are adjust in this letter, and just click to the OK. The name, first name, suppose the first name there. Tab, you to the tab button, address Nevada. phone number 7488414140, and just click city is the Albert Time, Nevada, and you fulfill the second new entry. You go to the new entry option. The second new entry is the open. Suppose second name is the Sam and address is the Gaya, and the again mobile number is कुछ any mobile number, and again city is the Patna. Again Mohan, and address Bihar, mobile number any mobile number you mention, and the city is Kolkata, suppose Kolkata, and you just click to the tab button. That automatically you just click to a new area and you go to the last option fulfill, and just click the tab button. This is, and again Sohan, I fulfill to the 5 name. Your choice how many name adjust in this field. Address Mohanpur, mobile number, this is the mobile number, address, this is the address, and just you add to the new list option, and just click to the OK. The all over field mention, and you just click and just click to the OK button, and the one dialog box appear in front of you. Field name, letters in marriage, just click OK. The all over letters, data sources, address Nevada, name Daya. I mentioned to the 4 name. Every student saw this dialog box, the Nevada, and the name I mentioned to the previous dialog box. You automatically adjust, and you automatically adjust. Then and you click to the OK, and click to the OK, and you write to the letter, then click write your letter. The first of all you write to the letter to write to letter the bank branch manager, and you go to the more items. You just click to the more items. This is a letter of the bank branch manager, and you go to the more item. The one dialog box appear in front of you. Name all over. You go to the database field, not go to the address field. You go to the database field. Name, insert, address, insert, phone number, insert, city, insert. In all our field to the database field, insert, and you again go to the more item. Name, insert, address, insert, phone number, insert, city, insert, and just click to the preview your letter, and just click to the preview your letter. Then just click to the preview your letter. The all letter have to the prepared, and the This is the letter, and you just click to the cursor to, and you go to the more item, the insert. This is the name, to name insert, and close, and just click to the enter button, and again go to the more item and address. You just click to the address, again close, again press to the enter, and you go to the more item and phone number. This is the insert to the phone number, and just click, and again press to the enter, and you go to the more item and go to the city. You just click to the city. The all over field are arranged in this letter. To this is the to name, address, phone number, and the all over the field area is the mentioned in the letter: name, address, phone number, city. And just click to the preview your letter, and just click to the preview your letter. The all over mentioned Daya, Nevada, all over name are mentioned in this particular letter. The all over to Daya, Nevada, to branch manager name. I choose to the one name. This letter is automatically are related to the one name. You show to the second recipient. This is the first recipient, name is the Daya, and the list of the second recipient. The second recipient Syam, the third recipient is the Mohan, and the fourth recipient is the Sohan. The all over recipient are shown in this the letter. And just click to the complete the merge. You click to the complete the merge. The two option in front of you: merge, print, and edit. There are any editing in the any recipient letter. You just click to the edit, but I am not edit, and you just click to the print option. The print record all current record. I just click to the all and click to the OK, and click to the OK. And just click to the OK. The all over page are to the printed, and you just mention file name. Just mention to the file name there, and you can save to the letter. And now printing is the prepared. The all over record is the prepared. This is the use of the Mailmerge, and I show the every step of the Mailmerge. Please watch the video and you try how to Mailmerge create in the MS Word. Thank you so much.